Now let us try to understand addition without carryover. For that, let us use the place value table or MAT. In this, for now, let us take two digit numbers. So, for that reason, I will take only the hundreds place, that is, unit tens up to hundreds of this MAT. To begin with, give me a number. What number will you give me? 45. Okay, let us show the number 45. How do we have to do it? Can we place these here? How many do we have to place? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 40 here. After that, what should be placed? Should we keep the green plate or the blue rod or the yellow cubes? Yes, yellow cubes, right? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. To this 45, what shall we add? See, in each place, what have we learnt? We have learnt that there are 9 rooms in each house. In each house, 9 rooms are there. We are placing this in the 9 rooms. So, in this, I have placed 4 tens and 5 ones. Give me one more number. 23. Okay, let us arrange 23 now. What am I doing here? 1 10, 2 tens, 1, 2, 3 units. What will I do now? I will assemble these in the space for each place. While assembling these, what should I keep in mind? Every house has 9 rooms. What should I do if I get more than 9? What did we learn in the place value story? Where there are more than 9 people, if there are more than 9 people, then I have to make a bundle of 10 and move it to this place. Let us see here, in this number, can we bring that possibility or not? So, we already know how to do addition. Let us now add these individual quantities that are placed in the units place. Why should we start adding from the units place? Is a question that might arise. That is because when we start from the units place, redistribution of the places or carrying over or regrouping can be done very easily. Therefore, it is advisable to start the addition from the units place. I will start the addition from here when I add these two quantities: 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units. This number is not 9, hence it can remain in the same place. Here we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens. We have to add 5 tens, 6 tens. We have added 2. Here we have 6 tens and how many units? 8 units. Therefore, what is the answer? 68. Isn't it? Nowhere in this did we have the necessity for regrouping. In this way, we can learn to do the addition without carryover using this TLM, that is the base 10 block. This is something that the children have to do on their own by touching and counting. Though we direct them, the teachers have to keenly observe the child's attempts to check their methods, if they are doing it first or this first, or numbers of what place have been taken for addition first, and the likes have to be observed. Let us do the same with the play money. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives us 40. Now we have to arrange 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we add 40 and 5, it is 45. So this is how we arrange it. Which is the other number? 23. You can keep the units first. 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 tenths. That is 23 and 45. What should I do next? I should add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After which comes 6, 7, 8. 8 1 rupees. Then we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So I have 60 rupees here. We have 8 here. If we total 68 rupees. That means when we added 45 rupees to 23 rupees, we get a sum of 68 rupees. That is the answer. Lastly, let us do the same question using abacus. This is abacus. This is abacus stand. Let us assemble 45 in this. 1. Yellow is units. 2, 3, 4, 5. So what should I do next? I'll have to pick the blue rings. 10 should I do? The blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now, where do we place the 23? Let us keep it here for now. 1, 2, 3. And for 20, 1, 2. Let us add 23 to 45. The number that is being added here is what we'll be placing here. So let us start by adding the units. 45 being the number, there are 5 units here already. To this, let us add 3 more. This number is less than 9. In this place, if the rings are more than 9, we cannot keep it here. Let us add these 2 blue beads here. Now we can calculate it. How many do we have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. How many tens? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So 6 tens and 8 units. That is 68. In this way, we can use abacus, base 10 blocks, and play money, which are the TLMs that we have used to learn addition without carryover. Also, while using the play money and base 10 blocks, we have made use of place value mat. The abacus does not require the place value mat because the place value can be seen here.